Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 5. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Right? Here you can solve it this way. Right? Let we know that if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called as supplementary angle of one another. Right? Now let one of the let x let let x be let x be 2 let x be two equal angles two equal angles let x be two equal angles of its supplement. I know that if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then we call those angles as supplement of one another. Let x be two equal angles of its supplement. Therefore, according to the question, x plus x is equal to 180 degree because these are supplementary angles. Supplement means if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are said to be supplement of one another. Supplementary angles. Therefore, it will be 180 degree. X plus x is 2x is equal to 180 degree. Or you can write x is equal to 180 degree by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. Right? Therefore, we can say that 90 degree is equal to its supplement. Thus, 90 degree is equal to its supplement. If you draw angles like this, A, B, C and D. Here you see if this is 90 degree and if this is 90 degree, 90 plus 90 is 180, that is supplementary angles. And you can say that angle ABC is supplement of angle ABD and angle ABD is supplement of angle ABC and both are same, that is 90 degree. Right? This is the solution of question number 5 of exercise 5.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.